Some of the important points I would like to share in a time management, that is eliminate waste and help others prudently and maintain appropriate appointment diary, not appropriate, monitor subordinates, allocate time for long term objectives and goals, cost your time, your work priorities, maintain to do list, set a goals. Okay, apart from that, eliminate waste. Okay, means first step in organizing our time is to examine our time log critically, identify those periods of time that could have been better spent. Okay, next one, delegate. Very often may feel that it is simpler to do task ourselves. Okay, help others prudently. At the workplace, we may find that our colleagues often approach us for help. Okay, next one, maintain excuse me, an appointment diary. An appointment diary is an important tool that will help us maintain control over our time. Next one, maintain to do list. We should make a to-do list is a list of tasks that we do not perform. Okay. On that day, we are not going to do that activity. In such kind of the activities, we can maintain to do the list. Next one, monitor subordinates. We should agree on a task, deliver date with the person we assign the task to. Okay, we must make a note of this date in our diary. Next, cost your time. It's very important to make an estimate of how much your time is worth. Okay, next is our work priorities. In order to be effective, we need to be ensure that we get our work priorities in order. We can set our work priorities by following the three steps given below. What they are, see now. We can set our work priorities as a concentrate on what to enjoy. Concentrate on what to enjoy. We should ensure that we enjoy our work. That's all. And this is important as we are more likely to be effective at our job if we love it instead of hating it. We should love our work, we should not hate, so that we can be successful, and we should give the priority to our work. Analyze our strength and weakness. We should analyze our strength and weakness. Find out that we are good at and we where our weakness lie. ನಮ್ಮ weakness ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು first. This analysis will help us to maximize our strength, minimize our weakness, and move in the right direction. Clarify our job description. Okay. Spend time with our employee in clarifying what exactly we are expected to do and the role we are expected to play in our organization. Next point, that is set a goals. Goal setting is an important practice that all professionals should follow it. Next one, allocate time for long-term objectives and goals. Very often we may get so caught up in performing our regular task that we fail to allot a time to accomplish long-term goals and objectives. So, how we will time management help us? How will time management will help us? See now. Be prepared for meeting. Okay. Monitor task and project progress. Plan each day, week efficiently. Next, allocate resources according to the task's importance. Next one, ensure that long-term project goals are not neglected. Take on workload opportunity proportionate to the time at your disposal. Yes. So it complete your time management part 1. Okay. Next. Next comes leadership development.